everybody, welcome to Be My Cook. My name is Suze, so if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I want to show you a Greek-inspired veggie sandwich. If you're tired of taking deli meat sandwiches to work or to school, this is a great alternative, so I'm going to show you how to make it today. Okay, let's get into our recipe. So the first thing you're going to need is a couple pieces of pita bread. I have some provolone cheese here that's thin. I made some tzatziki sauce. I have some cucumber slices. I have a tomato, some avocado slices. I have some red onion in this bowl, a couple lettuce leaves, and we're going to get started on our veggie sandwich. So the first thing you want to do is take your tzatziki sauce. I'll have the recipe down below. We want to spread a thin layer out on our pita bread. Now you can toast this pita bread if you want to. You don't have to. Either way, it tastes good. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and put down some lettuce. This one leaf will be plenty for this. And I have some provolone slices here. Cheese is optional, but I do like it on my sandwich. And we're going to go ahead and put some cucumber slices on. And I'm going to cut this tomato. Don't need too many slices of tomato, just a couple. I want to get some of the juices out of there because it'll make our sandwich kind of soggy. There we go. Now we're going to put some onions on. These are also optional, but they make the sandwich taste really good. Some thin sliced avocado. Make sure you put some lemon juice on the avocado so it doesn't turn brown. Now I'm going to go ahead and take some more of the tzatziki sauce and put it on the top. Spread that around. This is really easy and it's a great lunch. You can serve at least 2 people with this sandwich. All right, wipe my hands off. Let's put the top on just like that. Let's smash it down a little bit. Let's cut it in half. Now you can use it just like that, and you can see. But what I'm going to do is cut it again so we have smaller sections of the sandwich. It's a lot easier to eat. There we go. Just like that. You can see how yummy that sandwich is. Now let me show you how I'm going to serve this. Here's our Greek-inspired veggie sandwich. I just have some bagel chips here and some cherries for dessert. Now you have many options of different vegetables. Leave off the cheese. Put something else on there that you love as far as a dressing instead of tzatziki sauce. Or just use regular bread instead of the pita. Either way, this is a scrumptious sandwich. Especially when you're tired of all the deli meat sandwiches. This will keep you full and keep you energized all day. So if you'd like to see more recipes, give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.